To solve this Rubik's Cube, first thing you have to do is to select one side. In this example, I have selected the white side. The centerpiece represents the side. Okay, now the first thing we have to do is to make a cross. Plus, the cross on the edge piece should match the color on the centerpiece of that side as well. So let's match the first one. Now you can see the blue has aligned plus the white has also aligned. Same way we are going to align other pieces as well. Now you can see the cross is complete plus the side pieces are aligned with their own side colors as well. Now the next step is to do the corner pieces. The same rule applies as well. The corner piece, the sides it is touching should also match the color as well. So let's take this one, white, green and red. We have to see which side is this. So this is white, red, green, white, red and green. It should come in this corner. Now the same way we have to do all the corners on the white side. Now this side is white, orange, green. Now we are going to see this corner piece as well. Okay, so the first layer is complete. Now we have to do the second layer. For the second layer, you can see that we have to put these pieces in place. To put these pieces in place, we have to align this thing. You have to remember. So now this is blue side and orange side. So this is blue orange. So it has to come in this side. So we need to align this orange, and the sequence you need to remember. It is now you can see it is in place. In the second one, I will tell you the sequence. It's first you have to align the side, like for example red and blue. This is red and blue, so I will align red and blue is on the other side. Now I have to move it away, up, towards and down. So now this piece is missing and it's here, so I just make one simple move to bring it back in place, and you can see the corner piece is in place now. Same way we are going to put all the corner pieces, green and red. We have to find where is green and red. So align green, red on the opposite side, away, up, towards, down. Now we need to bring the white piece back in place. Now you can see this piece in place as well. Green and orange, away, up, towards, down. bring the piece in place. Now we have successfully completed two sides. Now the only third side, the top layer, is remaining. For the top layer, we have to remember one sequence. It's we have to rotate, we have to make the top cross, so front rotate, we have to make this move. Now we need to see this arrow should face this corner, and we have to repeat the same sequence again, and you will see this 3 lines, again the same sequence, and you will see the cross now is in place. But the sides are not matching. One side is matching, but the rest are not matching. We will just move to see the maximum possible sides. Now the matching sides should remain on your right side and back side, and you have to follow this step. Now you will see in the cross all the sides are matching now. Okay, so the only thing remaining are the corner pieces. So this is one step you need to remember, you need to memorize, and once you will perform, you will see everything will magically come in its position. Now this corner piece is in place, so we have to put it on the right side, and the other pieces we can see are not in place, so we have to do one step which will bring all these corner pieces in their places. And now you can see the Rubik's Cube is solved completely.